How to add animation on video in CapCut. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly, open the CapCut. So when you will open the CapCut, here is the option of new project. So just tap on it. So after this, it will show your gallery. So when you will open the gallery, here you can see your video. So you can select any video. So after selecting the video, click on it and then click on add options. So you can see your video is added on CapCut. So after this, here you can see added option. So click on edit. So after this, here is the option of animation. So click on animation. So after some time, you can see different animation. So you can select animations on your video. So for example, I will show you. So I will select this animation. So you can see now I will play this video. So you can see this video show like this. So guys, you have to more than you can select more than one animations in the video. So here you can see now I select another animation. Now if I will play this video, so you can see it will show like this. So guys, if you want to add more than one video one animations on your video, so you have to split different part of video. So for example, now I want to add animation on this part. So after this, I want to add animations on the another part. So firstly, I will split the video. So firstly, click on the video. So after this, here is the option of split. So after this, I also want to add animation on this part. So after this, also select or split this part. So after this, split different part of the video. So when you will split the different part of video, so after this, select the part and then click on add animation. So here after this, choose the animations. So after choosing the animation, so you can also choose the time durations of animations. So after this, here is the again after select the another part. So after selecting the another part, so you can select animations again from these multiple animations. So after selecting, so again you can select the duration of animation. So similarly, by following this process, you can add animations on different part of the video. So guys, in this way you can add animations on different part of the video. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.